Let's integrate x squared minus 1 over x squared with respect to x. So for this question, there's no rules of integration can be used here. So let us divide our numerator with the denominator. So x squared divided with x squared is 1. Negative here. 1 divided with x squared is x to the power of negative 2. So now we can integrate. So integrate 1 is x. So how does it become x? Because it's actually x to the power of 0, where the power is not equals to negative 1. So we're going to use the rules, the product rules, which is x to the power of n. So if we integrate with respect to x, we're going to get x to the power of n plus 1 divided with n plus 1 plus with c. So this x is to the power of 0, what I said just now. So x to the power of 0 plus 1, so x to the power of 1 divide with 1. So that's why you got x actually. Okay, so now let's go to this part. X to the power of negative 2 is negative 2 plus 1 is x to the power of negative 1 divide with negative 1 plus with c. So if we simplify, we're going to get x plus 1 over x plus with c. Yeah, that's it.